nature is our home. We humans lived in nature for hundreds of thousands of years. And although most of us are living in cities of concrete nowadays, mostly indoors, in our homes and our offices, we have not really been adapted to the environment of the city, to the busyness and loudness and quickness of it. We are paying a very high price to be in such an environment. But most of us don't realize it because we have been born in such an environment and we have been living in it forever. But when we go in nature, we can feel the calming effects of it. We start to feel at home again. And when we start to feel at home with existence, our stress melts away. We finally can reconnect with the beauty and the joy and the stillness of life. You see, people are paying so much money to go to therapists and psychologists when the greatest therapist out there is free. And that therapist is called nature. And it's always available for us, waiting for us. We only need to go in its embrace.